Hi guys, so today I'll be showing us three different ways to make eba. So this first way I learned it from my late mom. So what she does is she's going to, after boiling her water, she'll put the hot water inside any container she wants to use in making the eba, the Garri. Then she's going to turn the Garri inside. Make sure the water you're putting inside is enough. Then she's going to cover it and allow it sit for a while. I can't remember how long she allows it to sit, but when I do mine, I allow it to sit for at least 5 minutes. Then after that, you come back to turn, and guys, guess what? The eba will be soft and smooth. Like if you check this eba, it is soft and smooth. I guess most people allow it to sit for 10 minutes, but me, I do 5 minutes. Or else I'm doing something else, I leave it for 10 minutes. But most people don't really have this time to be covering eba and coming back to turn the eba and all of that. So most people do this second method I am going to show you now. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Let us know how you make your eba, or let us know which of this works well for you. Is it the first, the second, or the third? Let us know how you make your Garri. So yeah, I want to make a shout out to Spiritual Ginger watching from Ikorodu. Please let us know your name and where you're watching from, maybe your country or your state, anywhere, so we can always make a shout out to you on our food video. And please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos if you've not. You can check our channel for amazing content. We have lots of that actually. So this is the outcome of the Garri. I had to put it in a plate so that it will bring out one fine design, and it did actually. I was looking for a love shape, so it did. So as you can see, the eba or Garri or whatever you call it is smooth and soft. So now you can eat your eba the way you like it. Now for the second method, after boiling your water, you add your hot water into the container you want to use in making your Garri. Then you add your Garri to it, and you add enough Garri that will be enough for you, and you make sure you add enough water also, and then you turn. You don't need to wait for you don't need to wait for anything. You don't need to cover it and all of that. You just turn. What most people do in this second method, if the Garri is not coming out well, they sometimes shook the turning Garri. That's the stick used in turning the Garri. You sometimes shook it inside cold water and keep turning. You shook inside cold water, you keep turning. Maybe another time I'll make a video of that for you, but you just keep shaking inside the cold water and keep turning and all of that, so you get what you want. So I guess this is the style or method many people use, because this one is just straight to the point. You just put your water, you put your Garri, then you turn, and that's all. So yeah, who said the Garri won't come out well? It might not be as smooth as the first one, but yes, it will still come out well. As you can see, it is still fine and it is still smooth and soft, even if it is not as soft and as smooth as that first one, because till now I've not seen any way that can beat that first one. Now this is the third one. I learned this one when I was in Port Harcourt. So you boil your water. After boiling your water, you pour it into the container you want to use. Then you add oil to the water. That's granite oil. You add granite oil to the water, and then you add your Garri, and then you turn. So yeah, this is another method. If you don't want to be waiting for if you don't want to be waiting to if you don't want to cover your Garri and be waiting for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can just do it this way. You add granite oil to the water, and then you add your Garri, and then you turn. Yes, this way it will still come out smooth and should I say neat? Yeah, it come out neat, because when you're eating, because of the oil in the Garri won't stick to your hand like the second one will stick to your hand. So yeah, the Garri won't stick to your hand. So these are the three ways I know of making Garri. What other way or other method do you know how to make eba? Please comment in the comment section. Let me try your style, because these are the only three ways. Either you make the eba, you cover it for a while before turning it, or you just make the eba and you go straight to the point and you turn it, or you do the garri and then you pour oil into your water and then you turn it. Whichever way, it will come out fine and smooth. So yes, this is it, and as you can see, it is also smooth and soft. Thanks for watching. Bye.